first trip back to Kings Island. We haven't been here in a long time. I did this already once and I forgot to hit the record button, so we're doing this again. We're just running one mic today, so Pearl will have to yell. The last time we had passes here would be before we got the camper, which had been like, I don't know, 16 or so years ago. Other than that, came here once for work, and now it's about it. So we haven't really been here. So this year is a fun year for us. We're celebrating our anniversary, and it's kind of like coming back home. It's been so long since we've been around like this. So it's a good thing. Looks like we're gonna come in here for jukebox dining. All right, so we got our meal. Yum yum. Pearl's like, she got that thing out. Yeah, I got patty melt. She got chicken. I was going to get a Caesar salad, but they said it wasn't on the thing. So.
In there.
Their little computer, yeah. Had us a yummy meal. Nothing like park food.
I was going to say.
Nothing like park food. It's almost as good as fair food.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, there's a carousel. Yeah. We just gotta ride it. That's all there is to it. You just can't come somewhere and not ride a carousel. So, go in, put this away, and we'll be all set.
I'm gonna put this in your pocket.
Yep.
This happens something to carry my stuff.
She's in my pockets again.
I like your pockets.
All right, so I'll head over to one of the tamer things to see how us seniors can handle a ride. So we're gonna see if I don't fall apart. Okay, see how this senior can handle a ride. That's how that's working.
Yeah.
So she's checking to see if I can handle the ride. So we're gonna go this one we used to have fun on. So heading for the Adventure Express. Look at her. Look at her. She had fun.
I liked it.
Yeah, she liked it. I think someone's into the Adventure Express.
It's not like, it's more tame than like the really big ones.
Yeah. Yeah. It loosened my back up for me.
Hopefully you're okay.
Yeah, well, I'm moving. I'm not
And you're
doubled
not
over in pain, so yep.
Okay.
Isn't it fun getting old? Again, the gray life.
This is where we should have came.
I was thinking about it.
Yeah.
And go out back and got a margarita.
Ooh.
Ooh,
yeah. Yeah.
future nights.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, so we rode one ride. Well, two.
Two.
We did the
Carousel.
carousel, that's right.
We're doing the kind of the oldish.
We're the daredevils.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's messing with my pocket again. What are you doing back there?
I don't have anything to
She's
carry
using
all
my
my
pockets.
stuff.
I loaned her my pockets. Anyways, he said there's ice cream over here.
We'll see.
We'll see.
But in the end,
Well,
said
he-
Snoopy, and he didn't say anything about graders. So
Yep. So we'll find it
We'll
over
see.
here and get us something.
yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
I want something.
Yeah, we want something.
Whoops.
Yep. Yeah.
I already ate.
I already had some of mine too, so we found our ice cream.
Yay.
It's okay. Soft serve.
Yeah.
There's ice cream.
It's cool. Yeah,
Yep.
it's good.
The place we wanted was closed, Graders. So we'll get to that one of these days.
Yeah.
Jim.
And I'm Pearl. This is the gray life.
Yep. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.